mask an image to a shape. So this is our shape, this is our image. So we are going to start. Before we start, let's now come to shape here. Then you can come to shape, select any shape you want to max with, then select our circle. Okay, this is our circle now. Then open it to your preferable size. Let's say I want it this way, then it should be there. Then I'll come and take my image and I open the image to a preferable size that I want this way. Let's say this way. Then you have to come to your toolbar down here, scroll and find scroll to find this max here. Go to find the max. So when you are done, type on the max. This is the max. You can enable here. When you enable, you see how it has been. So now we are going to position the way we want it to be. So you can come and type on this here, then drag it down, leave. You see it has been coming. So drag it down, leave, drag it down, leave. Then now we are not going to shape it how we want it to be. So you can use, we're not coming to take this place, then we'll drag it up like that. We'll drag it up like this. See, it has been maximum, but we don't want it that way. So we now come and take this one to drag it up like this. So now let's work with how we want the edges. Working with how we want the edges to be, you cannot be using something, the arrows and the bound bottom like this. So that so just make sure how you want it to be by maxing it like this. So beautifully. This is how we max with the background. Then you are done. Come here and now merge it together. So you are not done, you cannot use it at a whole. It has been maxed with a background. So our background color should be this. Okay, any color just one, just choose it like that. So that's how we max image. I hope you know how to save it already. So just come here, save as image, save together.